make it?
Yeah, I got it. Here, I got it. Whew, brother, thanks very much for your help. Sure, that's what I'm here for. Oh, look, is that my dressing room? Is that mine?
Uh-huh. It's the only one left. All the good ones have been taken. You're running late, you know.
Yes, I know. I've been sewing on my dress. Things aren't going smoothly at all today. Oh, look, now my hairpiece is falling out. I worked all morning on that. So, is your sister nervous?
Not really. I guess she knows she doesn't have a chance.
What makes you say that?
Well, she's not all attractive. I'm amazed she ever got in the contest. I'm sure it's just because the judges think she's some sort of concert pianist. But she just knows that one opus by Johann Sebastian Bach. I swear that's all she knows.
I suppose the talent part of the contest does count quite a bit.
Well, she looks like a tank in her swimsuit.
She does?
She's humped shoulder from practicing that one Johann Sebastian Bach opus on her piano all day long.
What a shame.
This is strictly confidential, but the word is out that the only real contenders for the Miss Firecracker crown are you and Caroline Jeffers.
Oh gosh, I don't know.
It's the truth. Everyone's saying it. We agreed.
Of course, Caroline's really a lovely girl.
Yeah, except for those yellow teeth.
I heard she took medicine for seizures she had as a child and it scraped off some of her tooth enamel.
Yeah, I heard that too, but it doesn't matter.
It doesn't?
I really don't think the judges are interested in sentimentality, just the teeth themselves. That's such a beautiful red dress. It's really very fine.
Yes, it's beautiful. I'm just a little worried though. It just arrived yesterday from Notches and, well, it doesn't fit me exactly right.
What's wrong with that?
Well, it's a little snug from the waist. I worked on it this morning, adding this extra bit of material.
Oh, well.
Of course, I know it's not the exact match in color. Actually, Cousin Elaine's gone to get me popped by a seamstress. We couldn't find her last night, but I know she'll fix it. This is just temporary.
Well, I hope so. It looks a little funny.
Oh, I know Elaine will get me popped by. She promised she would. She's never let me down before in her life. Oh gosh, I think I'm starting to sweat. My makeup is melting right down my face.
Actually, you really don't have much time. It's only 28 minutes to the beginning of the parade of firecrackers.
Oh my word. Well, I'm ready, except for my dress. I mean, my head's ready.
Well, anyway, here's your schedule.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, have you seen the grand float they made for Miss Firecracker to ride at the head of the Independence Parade?
Yes, I have. It's beautiful.
Why, yes, it's very fine. Well, I better go let Miss Blue know you're checked in. Oh, mind if I borrow some of your hairspray?
No, go ahead.
Oh, I heard your cousin Lamont's back in town.
Yes, he's back.
Will you tell him for me that I forgive him? I understand that some men just don't have any self-control. None at all. Think that, home?
Uh-huh.
Well, anyway, tell him my Uncle Fred's given us a new litter of Siamese kittens, if he wants to drive by and see them.
I'll tell him.
Well, I'll be backstage running the contest. Let me know if any emergencies arrive.
All right.
Give him H.
This way, here. Can you make it?
Hannah, this is not gonna work.
That's what she turns the corner when she's here. You sit in.
Hannah, your reflection is shown clearly in the window. Dang, my reflection is being shown too. The rescue.
Oh my word. Whoa, I'm ready. Except for
Oh, have you seen the grand parade opening for Miss Firecracker? Anyway, tell them my Uncle Fred has some cyanide kitty litters.
oh gosh, I think I'm starting to sweat. My face is melting. Just wait, my makeup's hard.